Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Well, it's been a tough week actually, guys. Even from my races have been really good, except not a lot of follow through. So it's not that Nerve was the most beautiful one because I mean you see these bottoming tails and topping tails, so a little bit nervy to trade, no pun intended. But Nerve certainly was showed up 7 times on the winning a race. The other one was this OLB, won 9 races, but the Nerve was the one, and it took out a couple of important levels. The next level would be around that 860 level, which is a high of a couple of days ago. So I'm going to watch to see if it does take that out. And it's a low float. That's what makes it very volatile. But certainly, if you follow this one all day long, you had opportunities to take this trade, and many, many, many in the room did. And I don't know where this is going, but 860 is a big level to try to take out. All right, everybody, that's the end of the test drive. So hope everybody had a good time. I'll open the room Monday morning at 8 o'clock. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you then. Bye bye.